Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Forerunner 255. First, power on your watch by holding the top left button for a few seconds. Navigate through menus using the 5 physical buttons. Next, download the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone and pair your device. This allows you to customize watch faces, data fields, and access all your activity information. It's a simple process to get started with your new watch. To track an activity, press the top right button, then scroll to select your desired sport from over 30 options, like running or swimming. Press the button again to start recording. When finished, press the same button to stop and save your workout. You can view key metrics such as distance, pace, and heart rate right on your wrist, or explore more detailed analysis in the Garmin Connect app. Your Forerunner 255 offers advanced training metrics to help you improve. It tracks your heart rate continuously, along with pace and distance using its accurate built-in GPS. You can also monitor your training status and recovery time, which are crucial for preventing overtraining. Plus, the watch provides daily suggested workouts, personalized to your fitness level, guiding you toward your goals effectively. Beyond fitness, your watch offers convenient smart features. Receive notifications for incoming calls, texts, and app alerts right on your wrist, so you stay connected without reaching for your phone. You can also control music playback from your paired smartphone, making your workouts more enjoyable. Remember to regularly charge your device and keep it clean to ensure optimal performance and longevity for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.